Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Windows 11 freezes upon startup, then it's either an issue with low RAM or it is an issue with low disk space. So here's what you have to do. Go to this PC and check the disk space. If it's low, then start deleting files. Go to the downloads folder and delete a few redundant files from this one. Okay, then search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar. Go to disk cleanup, click on OK. Check all of the boxes here, click on OK, and then click on delete files. So clear up a little bit of space. Now as for RAM, if the RAM is low, okay, if it's 2 GB and you're using a Windows 11 computer, then you will have to buy more RAM. Okay, so for that, go to amazon.com or any website for that matter, or any store that you find reliable. Okay, and then you can search for a RAM there, RAM, and hit enter, and then you can buy any credible RAM and use it on your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.